Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that you are well at your home. Now I am going to teach you the remaining part of the chapter. The name of this chapter is The Midnight Visitor. It's not my balcony, Ozebel said with extreme irritation. It belongs to next apartment. He glanced explanatorily at Fowler. You see, Ozebel said that this is not my balcony, and he said with extreme irritation. Means he was talking very loudly and very rudely. That this is not my balcony. This balcony belongs to the other room, and this is combined balcony. You can see. Then he looked at Fowler. So Ozebel looked at Fowler surprisingly, because Fowler was looking at Ozebel when he started talking about balcony. You see, he said this room used to be part of a large unit and the next room. Though that door there used to be the living room. So Ozebel said that this room used to be part of a large unit. Means this combined room was used by a group of people, and the next room used to be living room. It means next room was a living room earlier, but now the room has been separated. It had the balcony which extends under my window. Now there is a balcony just under my window. You can get into it from the empty room two doors down, and somebody did last month. So Jebel said to Max that you could come through the balcony, and last month somebody entered in my room through balcony. The management promised to block it off. The management promised to close the balcony. Okay, but they haven't. But they did not close it. Max glanced at Fowler, who was standing stiffly not far from Ozebel, and waved the gun with a commanding gesture. Gesture means pointing somebody else, and commanding means like giving some order. So Max was looking at Fowler, who was standing not far away from Ozebel, and he was waving and he was moving his gun towards Ozebel. Please sit down, Ozebel, he said. We have a wait for half an hour, I think. I think we should wait for half an hour for the report. 31 minutes, Ozebel said moodily. So Ozebel said in casual way that okay, 31 minutes, not half an hour. 31 minute has to be waited only for the report. We have to wait for 31 minutes. The appointment was for 20:30. Okay, for 12:30. That there is a appointment, and there is a meeting at 12:30. I wish I knew how you learned about the report, Max. Ozebel said to Max that Max, how did you know about the report? How did you know about the report? The little spy smiled evilly. So Max smiled. Little spy means secret agent. So Ozebel said to Max that how did you come to know about the report? So Max smiled very cleverly. Evilly means cleverly. And we wish we knew how you people got the report, but no harm has been done. I will get it back tonight. What is that? Who is at the door? Then there was a knocking sound at the door. So Max said to Ozebel that who is outside the door. Okay. Next. Fowler jumped at the sudden knocking at the door. Then Fowler, the friend of Ozebel, he was jumping by the knocking sound, by hearing the knocking sound. Ozebel just smiled. Ozebel was smiling. That will be the police, he said. So Ozebel said to Max that the police is standing outside. I think that such an important paper as the one we are waiting for should have a little extra protection. So Ojibal said to Max that I think we need extra protection. We need police to just protect the papers. I told them to check on me to make sure everything was all right. I just called the police, and police will just take care all the matter very seriously. Max bit his lip nervously. The knocking was repeated. Means Max started moving his lips nervously. Max was so nervous because if police is standing outside, then police might arrest him. The knocking was repeated again. What will you do now? What will you do? Sojables asked Max. If I do not answer the door, they will enter anyway. It means if I am not responding, the police will enter the door. They will just break the door and they will open the door forcefully. The door is unlocked, it is not locked, and they will not hesitate to shoot. Means the police will also take strong action, they can also shoot you. Max's face was black with anger as he backed swiftly towards the window. Means Max became very serious. Black means Max was looking serious and as well as angry. He was looking serious as well as angry. Then he started moving towards the window. He swung a leg over the sill. Okay, send them away. So sill means window grill. So he he starts moving the grill of the window, and he told Ozable that you send the police away. I am giving you warning, you send the police away, otherwise I will wait on the balcony. I will be waiting on the balcony and send them away, otherwise I will shoot and take my chances. So Max said to Ozable that I will shoot you, you just send the police away, otherwise I will shoot you. So here Max was trying to threat Ozable. But Ozable was very clever person, he was very intelligent. The knocking at the door became louder and voice was raised. Ozable, Mr. Ozable. So somebody was speaking loudly and he was saying Ozable, Mr. Ozable, keeping his body twisted so that his gun still covered the fat man and his guest. The man at the window grasped the frame with his free hand to spot himself. So grasp means holding with the hand. Okay. So Ozable just starts moving towards the window, and he hold the window frame so that he could jump over the window. He could jump over the balcony, and then he swung his other leg up over the window sill. It means then he put his other leg over the window sill. The doorknob turned. It means the door started opening itself. It means it starts moving swiftly. Max pushed with his left hand to free himself from the sill and dropped to balcony. So Max just made himself free and he dropped himself on the balcony, and then he dropped, he screamed once shrilly. Shrilly means loudly, and then Max jumped over the balcony, but there was no balcony. He just fell on the ground from the sixth floor and he died, crying loudly. The door opened and a waiter stood there with a tray, a lit bottle, two glasses. Here is the drink you ordered for when you returned, he said, and set the tray on the table. Deftly means very cleverly, uncorked the bottle. Uncork means just opened the bottle and left the room. So, who was outside? Only waiter the Henry. He was standing outside the door of Ozable, and he entered the room, and he was having bottle of wine because he was ordered by Ozable. So he put the bottle of wine, okay, and he unlocked and he opened the bottle and he left the room. So dear students, here I would like to tell you that Ozable just befooled Max by creating a false story, and none of the standing outside, only waiter the Henry was standing outside, no police was outside. White-faced Fowler stayed after him, but he stammered. So Fowler was also surprised. He was stammering. Okay, the police, there was no police. Ozable said, "Oh, Henry, whom I was expecting." Ozable said that only Henry was standing outside, no police was standing outside. But won't that man out on the window? Out on the balcony? Fowler began. Fowler said that when the will the man will come out? Is there any balcony? No, said Ozable, he won't return. You see, my young friend, there is no balcony. So Ozable said to Fowler that, my dear friend, there is no balcony. He will not come back. I just made a false story to just make him be fool. So, dear friends, thank you and have a nice day. I hope that you will understand the chapter.